Stay. Okay everyone, in this tutorial we are going to learn some tornado kick. So let us enjoy some demonstration first. Okay everyone, now let us start Kung Fu Wushu tornado kick training, also known as jumping spinning inside kick, 旋风脚. Okay, now let us start with kick first. So in tornado kick, we are using inside slap kick. So inside slap kick, you have kick straight out first, and then to the left, like a semi-circle to chop your left hand. Okay? So when you're doing tornado kick, when you combine the kick together, you cannot kick slowly. You have to do faster. So now let us practice more with the inside slap kick. Just do this way. Okay, now let us move on to the inside kick and spin. Alright, so do slowly first. Inside kick and spin. One circle, 360 degrees. A bit faster. Inside kick combined with the spinning together. You can spin a bit more, like a 720 degree, 2 circles. So give it a try. Okay, now let us move on to the jumps. First do this way first. We put our legs together. You can hold your fist, right fist, next to your waist. Left hand push up. Stand like this. This is ready action for tornado kick. Or for beginners, you can put your arms down. Alright? Will be easier. We put our arms down like this first. Once you get used to it, you can put your hands like this. And then you do the tornado kick. We are going to take 4 steps. Left leg first. 1, 2, 3, 4. See? And then you jump without spinning, just jump. Drop down with your arms and up. See? Jump like this. Jump. Okay? So now, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Height from your legs. Jump. Okay? Come back together. And then we spin. Jump, arms to lead you, and spin to the left. Jump, spin. Okay? Jump slowly, spin. Okay? If I face this way, started to spin, and then I finish, then this is called 360 degree, one circle. So now let us practice together. One, two, three, 4. Remember, when you are think about tornado is spinning, right? So if you jump like this is not coordinate. 1, 2, 3. The last step you cannot step there or step here. You can step straight forward or a bit inwardly. So this way you can spin spontaneously, like a spiral. Okay? Like a tornado. You can see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? Now next one is we're gonna jump, extend our hips and waist in the air. Now let's give a try. Now this is lightness training, okay? Lightness training. Extend. So with a tornado jump, you have to try to jump with your toes. Don't put your heels down, okay? On your toes. And you jump to bounce up. Okay? Now let us practice more with the jumps. Okay, now let's try another jump. We are trying to lock our left leg here. Okay? Jump, lock your left leg here. And then you spin. So this is 360 degree, one circle. Okay? Slowly. 1, 2, 3, jump, land on your right foot, 360 degree. Let's practice more. Okay, now let us try to do 540 degree, which is, if I face this way, started, I jump in the air, one circle, and land like this, 1.5, that's 540 degree. So if you cannot do 360 degree, which is one circle, please do not try 540 degree. Okay, now let us give a try. Okay, next one is 720 degree, which is 2 circles. So the same as I mentioned before, if you cannot do 540 degree yet, please do not try 720 degree. Okay, let us give a try. Now let us start tornado kick level 1, 2, and 3 training. Just a friendly reminder about the levels. Please practice the level that suits you at the moment and do not push yourself too much to get injured. Okay, let us start our training. So first, let us go through the levels. So level 1 is, see? You land on your left foot first. This is level 1. Level 2, you land on your 2 feet. So this is level 2. And level 3. Level 3 is which leg you're gonna kick, which leg you're gonna land first. So let's have a look. See, this is level 3. Okay, now let us practice level 1. So we lay this ready, and we jump and kick. Okay, so if you cannot spin a circle yet, you can spin half circle like this. All right, so I face to this direction. Alright, let's combine the steps together. We do it slowly first. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, you land on your left foot first, level 1, alright? Let's kick a bit faster. Okay, let's move on to the level 2. Level 2, you have to kick fast. Level 2, you have to jump higher and kick faster. Land with our 2 feet together. So let's start. See, this is level 2. Let's practice more. So everyone, now let us move on to the level 3. So level 3, we are going to lock of left leg and toes pointing down. We are going to kick with the right leg and land on our right foot. Okay, so let us start. Okay everyone, remember, practice makes better and perfect. Happy training, happy life. We'll see you in the next training.